Hello, motherfucker.
Here we are.
Mom. What? No. I made a video. And I was inserting objects into this.
Again?
You should look at this animation video.
Just me and you, comedian, right?
But then it crashed. It crashed. Bang! I rage over the uncertain. I don't get it. What's this? Oh. Failed.
With your blasters, your flashing eye, you should better be prepared because soon your last hour strikes. One step left now, it's almost time. Show you what my determination has.
This to be the end. Someone. Hey,
I'm just gonna leave. Okay? I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. Copyright confirmed.
you're from busy, huh? What? Are you waiting a joke or something? Anyway, I've got a question.
Do you remember your dead brother?
What?
Yes, your good brother.
What are you?
Your stupid brother.
Thanks for interrupting me. And here's a better question. Do you want to have a bad time? Okay. This is why I never make promises. It's a beautiful day outside. The birds are singing. Hey,
How dare you?
guess I'm pretty good at my job, huh? It's a beautiful. Okay. Look at your face. Oh wait, you can't. It's a beautiful day outside.
I'm still alive. Stop!
It's a beautiful day outside. On days like this, kids like you, wait, should be burning in hell. Well, now it's time for what you came for.
Shut up!
What? You are not the only one who can dodge. This is what you wanted, right? You just wanted to have your genocide. You don't know how does it feel knowing that one day this is going to end and replay again and again. Look, I gave up trying to find a way out long time ago. And I am not talking about the surface. It doesn't appeal anymore. Because even if we do, we come back and do the same thing without any memory. I can't give it all. Everything keeps replaying. Or maybe I can't because I am too lazy. Hell if I know. All I know is, well, why am I explaining? You're just watching. that being said, wait. Listen. I know, I can feel someone good there. Someone that doesn't want this to be the end. Someone that wants more and more. Come on, buddy, pal, kiddo, friend. You don't remember the good times? Let's forget all of this, okay? Put your weapon down and, well, my job is going to be a lot easier. Well, I tried. You know, I was secretly hoping we could still be something. And maybe have some food, keep watching, laughing, and making more memes. But that's ridiculous, right? You are the type of person who won't be satisfied. Because you see, I am getting really tired. And you better stop attacking me, or I'll be forced to use my special. Okay, I'll show you my special. But you need to survive the...
Substance!
Well, it's time for my special attack. Yep, it's nothing. That means it's not gonna be your turn ever. So, we're going to be here until the end of time.
No.
Nope, you can't attack me. It's not your turn.
Okay, then I'm going to do nothing.
Alright, great video. Okay, goodbye, guys. Yeah.